So they're going to show up in the order that you just placed them in, side to side. You can make any changes you'd like. If you want to change the name of the program, you can do that in here. You can again change the fee template. You may have multiple fee templates you've created. I only have one, so that's the one that's listing in here. And you have the ability to make any change you want. It also, as you'll notice, will point out the lender. Now this doesn't show up on the pricing on the actual open house flyer, but it's a nice way for you to know exactly which one of your lenders is pricing best for this particular deal right now. Now you'll notice all these points all the way down here. You have the ability to show or hide these little radio buttons to the right. You'll notice this is grayed out. That's not appearing. This one is selected. It is. So if you want to hide or select anything, all you need to do is select them right there. You can go in and make any additional fees in here that you'd like to place. You can go ahead and type right in there or type over. Also, some of these features you'll see have little arrows. You can open them up and they'll show you some additional information in here that was hidden. So that's pretty helpful in there. Now I do want to point out some of these, for example, the total prepaids. So it's going to show me a list of all these. Now these may be prepaids that I want to include in a total prepaid, but maybe I don't want to show them all in the list, or maybe you want to show just prepaid taxes. Whatever it is, again, you have the ability to hide or unhide these. Even though they're hidden inside here, you can hide or unhide them in the report. You can also reorder all of these, so you can reorder right here. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click Apply These Fees. I'm going to hang on one sec, and that's going to take us back to that main page again. So now we've changed our scenarios, we've amended them, we've updated the pricing, we've checked our fees. Now we're going to go ahead and save our report. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to generate our report. Now this is going to open up into Acrobat. I'm not going to open this, and I'll show you a couple I've already done. Okay, so here's an example of that simple template we showed you. Let me just tighten on this a little bit so you can see. This is the way this one looks. And then I'll go ahead and I will show you the other one. Here is the plain template. And again, I'll tighten up on that one. Now, you can notice I don't have a lot of dollar amounts listed in here. I really just wanted to show you how this looks. So here, this is those 3 columns I was showing you in there for my amenities. And then here we've got our little body of our little comment you want to make in there, or whatever paragraph you want to add. And then of course you have your partner's information as well as your information listed right in there for you. Okay, now remember I showed you where these scenarios are listing over here. Let me show you another way. Other than adding it by manually, you can add from that front search page. So let me show you that. Okay, so here we are on the search page. You can put in your scenario right in here, run your scenario, scroll down to your results, and all you need to do is click on push. You'll notice there's several places you can now push your scenarios to, but in this case we're going to push it to our marketing materials. This is going to allow you to type in a scenario name, the display name, all those features you saw later on. You can place your borrower points in. You can also select the fee template you'd like to use. And you'll notice here, send to, you have the option to put it in your search bucket. That means it'll appear for every open house flyer you create. It will be listed in your bucket that you can choose from. Or if you'd like, you can send it directly to that open house flyer you've already created. So you can go ahead and submit, and that'll move it right on over there for you. Now I just want to point out, these open house flyers are going to cost $9 a month per user. For the month of June, we're going to give it to every single one of you in your account right now. It is live, it's working, every single feature works for you. You can go ahead and use it for free. As of July 1st, when you go back into the open house flyers page, a little window will pop up and ask you if you'd like to continue and pay $9, and you'll sign up from there. But until then, it will be working. I highly suggest you all use it as much as you possibly can. Get this set up. You can create these PDFs. From there, you can email it directly to your realtor and have them print them out. You can print them out yourself. You can save them. They do create in a PDF format. But again, these are free for the month of June. So really try and use these things. I think they're fantastic. They're really easy to use. Once you get in, you create 1 or 2, you'll understand how simple they are. And hopefully they'll start getting you some deals. Thanks for joining, guys. Talk to you soon.